Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Boy, you know you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, we need to tie this rope. Before we drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close, close. Let's take this overboard now. Cause you go where I'm going, yeah. Surely you'd get my vote, vote. 'Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow.
But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe?
guys, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday. Aza is sleeping and Fezi is playing with her tablet somewhere in the house. I've just finished tidying up the space, and I'm continuing with my online course. I have one assessment to finish that I need to record an audio of, explaining the answers or answering the questions. And sorry about that. And yeah, I just wanted to intro this vlog because I've been doing some things and been quiet. I woke up today around, I think, 6 a.m. and I started preparing the answers for this assessment because I knew that once Aza wakes up and Ufezi, I will not get the time to focus on what I need to do. So I've answered a lot of questions. I just need to start recording the answers. And yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to intro this vlog. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get on with the vlog. So today, guys, I managed to wash Faze's laundry, including her uniform. It's been cold and raining the past couple of days, including the weekend, that is. So today the sun is out and I decided, let me wash her clothes, and at least today it's not gonna rain. That's what I'm hoping for, in fact. It's quite sunny and I'm hopeful that the clothes will dry. Today is actually 19 degrees, but it feels a lot warmer than that. And the chances of rain are 19%, 19. Tomorrow is 24% rain. Wednesday 18%. Thursday is 100%. So yeah. Yeah, let's see. I think it's gonna be a rainy week actually. So yeah, let me just continue with this assessment and then start recording while Aza is sleeping, because she's the reason why I can't do anything. At least to Fez I can manage, but to Aza I cannot because she's so clingy. Anyways. done with the assessment. Jesus Christ. Done. Yeah. Let's wait for, it says it will be marked within 1 to 3 business days, and today is a public holiday, so I'm hoping that maybe by Wednesday they will have marked it. Yeah, this thing here is called right by your side, and he's able guys, let me know which part I know it's not soprano. Just let me know, guys. I can't sing for my life. I can't sing to save my life. Just let me know which part that I'm singing. Which part we singing is it? Just let me know. Hi guys, I'm done with the interview. Did I introduce this day, or did you just see me looking snatched? Today is Tuesday, guys. Yesterday was a public holiday, and I've just finished my interview. And guys, hey, I said lipstick ayikho right. Hi, ayikho right. Sana lipstick will be the death of us. I put on this Essence Matte lipstick. God, okay, let me just, Jesus, mama bantu, ansena stress. Mama bantu lobe kwi-interviewing panel. Ubona lo manqagisa alento nkosi yami, that line. Oh, Jesus. Ngase ndiphinde ndibuyele ndithi jonga ndinjeke. Ndibanje ummo wami. Andibinayo lanto. Jesus, ansena stress, guys. But yeah, the interview went well. It's time to go home now. The time is 10:35. It took about an hour. But yeah, let's go home. Let's go home. Oh, Jesus. It's quite a small town. I'm hoping that there's a circle here around. Ndingene ndijike ndigoduke. Ansana mandijike apha. Because I'm different as well. Yo. Ngene emizini yabantu. It's quite a small town, Shemlin. I didn't know that there were. Okay. And let's go home. Nobu azi akazi ba umama ithini into yakhe. Nobu azi yazibuza uphi lo mama uvuke ekseni wanishiya. She was so clingy. Yo aza, guys. She's been so clingy namhlanje ncanci into engapheli. It's like she knew I needed to leave. They were fresh. And also guys, sani stress lento yalomlomo mama abantu ansena stress. But undibonile uba ndifike ndingekho nje mos. Ayisuka. Ndifike ndingenayo la line. Yenzeke ngondipha. Ifault yabo. Ifault yabo. Anyways, bendisithini na? Guys, my kids and iphone bendenze kanjani Nkosi yami konje lapha. Uaza nefone yam. Let's talk about this. Hey, Uaza plays with my other phone and my other phone has WhatsApp. So namhlanje, the other day, last week, wafonela ufonela abantu basically. She goes onto WhatsApp and then she calls okanye uya kwi-contacts and then I've press athi call athi WhatsApp afonela abantu. Namhlanje ufonele coach AK. Bekungo-7 apha. That means phayana South Africa bekungo-1 AM. Imagine umntana abantu ugalelwa ifone twice ngo-1 AM ngentathakusa. Hayi uaza guys udenzele inhloni. How could she do that to me? Hayini. So she's been calling abantu ke sana. So if you are in my contacts and then you receive a call sana, you must know that uaza, it's not me. If akuthethi mntu awundigqiba ngecall ke ngoku vele afone apha bendithatha i-third exit ne. So that means the first exit endiyithathayo. She is calling people. She's calling people. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's still Tuesday. Yeah, it's still Tuesday. And we are on our way out. We're going to Woolies to grab a few things because Faze is going back to school tomorrow and we don't have fresh fruit. So we're going to go and grab that. Slow motion uvalek. So basically we're going to buy a few things, fruit for Faze, some bread, some milk and ukutya aza, and that's basically it. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so see you now. Bye. But you're gonna drink that at home and you're gonna share it. Hi guys, we came back. There was nothing much to show really. It was literally a few things. Bread,
We'll make this.
milk. I've got 2 of these. Some apples, some strawberries. Oh sisters, I bought some ham for Fez's lunch, baking powder, and that was basically it really. This carton of milk, that was it. I'm gonna make a banana bread. I think more than anything I needed the baking powder because I've got a banana that are very ripe up. I need to make some banana bread. Yo, hi son. I think I might not use that one, maybe the other ones. Yeah, this one is better. So I'm going to make some banana bread. Yeah, that's basically it guys. I think I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. The lighting here better, son. Hi son, these flowers must go. Zuma must go, Zuma must go. Zuma must go, Zuma. There's only one that's still alive, this one. No, we know roots. I'm thinking. So they must go. They must go. Flowers must go. Flower must go.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
besinayo nechakalaka so sesatya loo nto le
I wanna
so there's no
all
need
night.
to
Say
cook.
it. I wanna all night.
Sitya once and
I wanna all night. Say it.
ungabuyiwe uphala. Okay, I need to get some space first. Get you.
Again and again.
Sorry, Butao. Forgive me, Butao. Come. Sit here. Speak.
Hi guys, welcome to Mommy's channel. If you're new here, subscribe. And I got this box behind us.
What is it today?
Today is Wednesday.
Okay, what's in the box?
There's tables and chairs
Are you sure? For who?
for me.
Okay, so what are we gonna do now?
We're just going to sit on this.
We're gonna sit on them. We need to unbox. Which we're going to unbox.
What's that mean?
That means we're gonna take out what's inside the box. We're gonna open the box and take out what's inside, and then we're going to assemble.
Yes.
So we're going to unbox
Unbox
and then
and then
assemble.
assemble.
Okay.
Like,
So are you ready?
yes.
Ask the people if they are ready to see what's in the box.
Are you ready to see what's in the box, guys?
Say click like if you're ready to see.
Click like if you're ready to see.
Okay, let's unbox it.
Yeah. Okay. I just do my hopping Skittles.
It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you come in this club. It's all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often,
Did you choose
but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Talking late night for ya, let me lay that time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing back. Saying baby, love is what you know I'm with. So go ahead and drink up.
so many?
I'm so glad we got to link up. It's taking that off of me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Hey.
To make our table.
For the chairs. So,
Yeah.
chairs.
I mean, where to start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them what I got. Put my money in the
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big tipple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smiley's indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rewrite it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time. Run up, and I'm out. And I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this one house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit the these niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face.
I'll do this.
Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Sesika-aza esi isitulo esincinci kangaka. Tyutyu.
I can't believe I believe that she effortless. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of me having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when I can't believe I fell for your scars. I'm naive to believe that in me you're a champion. To compete when you cheat, you sweating. But I realize I got myself. It's all I got in the end. It's my conduct. And you think now I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. It's all I got in the end. It's what I found out. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see there's something not okay. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see there's something not okay. I be myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own.
Tell me how this have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the door say, oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I think I'll say, oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing more different. Baby, it's so romantic. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, hope you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Make it bounce like this. You know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shifts to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Bip, 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 baby, ride in. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet, baby, nigga, when you you know time. You know that I need to live in the right on time. Baby, bring it to me high. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Dímelo, turn me round, treat me like a rock, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out to this smooth glare. I be waiting on you with some more. You ready to down low like bombs, swear boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you work. You gotta see the person, believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take for a ride. Show me
Is
why
you
I
like
know it's been a while, but I wanna get right.
Returning to dock.
Straight to the courthouse, on the beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. I peep, you need it all sweet. Got new sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the one put it for my seeds. No care for the IG. No you in it, for clout. 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 You in it, for clout.
The showers. I'm not gonna show you guys the toilets.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. You can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike zone. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. From me I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains it pours, I laugh to myself when I change the score. You said my
my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess.
I've been falling my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something
What day
that
is
makes
it
me
today?
look at you too often.
And where are we?
She's playing lessons.
Jojo. Hello. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Guys.
Oh, what too long? Hmm? Are you gonna swim today? It's cold. It's quite gloomy today. Yeah. I don't want Azza to go into the swimming pool, but girls on Laula, she will end up going. Today is Saturday, like Fezi has said. Nothing much, guys. I think this vlog is, I don't know what's happening in this vlog. I always say that. But yeah, I don't know what's happening in this vlog. It's neither here nor there. So yeah, we are early today for a change. So yeah, we're gonna go in now. It's 11:04. Lesson starts at 11:10. So yeah, we're gonna get going now.
Maybe you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. My heart, my mind, and my body. My body says